Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's tutorial, we are going to show you on how you can log out WhatsApp account. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. This is extremely useful, especially if you want to log in another account on your WhatsApp, but you already have an account logged into the application. The first thing that you want to do is to open up the WhatsApp application. And once inside, you can just go ahead and navigate through the gear icon or the settings icon right below your screen. Inside settings, you will then go ahead and have to click on account, which is this one. And once inside, we have three options. You have the security notifications, how to delete my account, and lastly, you have the logout option. You can just go ahead and proceed by clicking on the Logout button, and just to confirm, you have to click on Logout once more. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.